Today at BladeOps we are checking out the Boker Plus Canoe. This little sweet knife features a blued out titanium handle with bronze finish pocket clip and hardware. Really like the size, nice and compact. It's about 6.5 inches overall, 2.7 inch blade, and it's rocking, let's take a look, S35. Designer's name on there as well. Runs on bearings, nice little frame lock. A little aggressive D10, but feels really nice and will probably break in even better the more you use it. Love the cool little bronze accents. It just complements that blue color so well. So make sure to get your new Boker Canoe today at BladeOps.